Hi guys, very good morning. So let's discuss these two amazing questions. Okay, question number 1. Int fun is equal to printf with C with Yash. This is a unique syntax. I am sure you have seen this, right? Then int x is equal to 0, x less than equal to fun, x plus plus. You have to print it. The logic is this only, and it's a pretty simple logic. I have already discussed this. Now int fun is equal to printf C with Yash. So what it does, firstly it will print C with Yash. So it will print C with Yash, right? And printf does what? Printf is just like a normal function. It returns something, and printf returns what? Printf returns number of characters. So how many characters are there inside printf? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So printf internally return 9, and that 9 is stored in variable fun. Therefore the value of fun is 9. Now int x is equal to 0, 0 less than equal to 9, condition true. So it will print what? 0. Then value gets incremented 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it will print C with Yash and then 0 to 9. And when the value of x becomes 10, 10 less than equal to 9, your condition becomes false and you will come after the loop. So the logic was pretty simple. This was the main crux of this problem. Printf returns number of characters. So you can write the code like this also. You can assign the value of a variable by simply writing printf also. So printf C with Yash, printf after printing returns number of character. So it return 9, 9 gets stored in fun, and then you do further logical part of the program, right? Now this next question is pretty important. Now before moving to this question, let me explain your concept here. Now let's suppose if I write let's suppose there is a variable int a. And if I write a is equal to 5 comma 10, and if I write a is equal to 5 comma 10, so if you write a is equal to 5 comma 10, only the first value gets assigned to a, and the value of a becomes 5 when there is a comma operator, a comma. But when there is a bracket here like 5 comma 10, so what happens? Compiler first evaluate this. After evaluating this, it moves to the next expression and will also evaluate this and then assign this value to the variable a. Therefore the value of a is 10. So evaluating means what? Let me take one more example. Now let's suppose we have a comma b is equal to 5, c is equal to 6, right? And if I write like a is equal to, if I write a is equal to, let's suppose b is equal to c plus b, and then c is equal to your c plus b. Now let's suppose if I write, so what you should not do, you should not directly try to solve this and assign this value to a. अगर तुम इसको solve करो तो क्या होगा? 5 plus 6 11, और ये c की value 11 हो जाएगी, right? c will become 11, and 11 this c will assign to a. Therefore the value of c is also 11 and value of a is also 11. But this is wrong. So what you should do? Basically you should try to evaluate from here. First you will evaluate this. B is equal to c plus b. So c plus b, c plus b, 5 plus 6, the value of b is 11. And then you evaluate this. C is equal to c plus b, value of b is now 11. 11 plus 6 is 17. And then you assign this 17 to a. Therefore the value of a is 17, value of b is 11, and value of c is 17. Right? This is again one very important question. So I will solve these when I will discuss the operator questions. So now moving on to this question has this concept. Now here I am writing I is equal to 0. So this line is very important. I am saying that 0 less than 0 plus plus comma 5, right? And this is your I. This is your I. Right? So when you write 0 less than 0 plus, so this is you are also evaluating, and then you are evaluating this also second, and then you are finally picking this value. So when you write 0 less than 0 plus plus comma 5, because the value of I is 0, this is also I, right? So we will take this value. So this is what? 0 less than 5, condition is true. But since you have evaluated this, so when you come inside this printf, 0 plus plus, so what is the value of I? I is now 1. This gets printed. So first value that gets printed on the screen is 1. After this you move to this statement, I plus plus. So I plus plus means now value of I is 1. So 1 plus plus. Fine. Now after 1 plus 1 you come to this I. Here the value of I has become what? 2. So this is 2 less than I plus plus, it is 2 plus plus comma 5. So again it is equivalent to 2 less than 5. But because of this 2 plus plus, when you are coming on to this printf, you are printing what? 2 plus plus, now it is 3. So first 1 get printed, then the value of I becomes 3. First 1, then value of I is 3. Now after 3, when you reach here, it is 3 plus plus, right? So when you come here, it is 4, right? So now it is 4 less than 4 plus plus comma 5. Now when you come inside the printer, because of 4 plus plus, 5 gets printed. So this becomes 5. After 5, you come to this I plus plus. This is 5 plus plus. Fine. 5 plus plus, when you come to this I, it is your 6. Now this is 6 less than 6 plus plus comma 5, which is nothing but 6 less than 5. This condition becomes false and you will come out of the loop. The answer is 1, 3, 5. Pretty amazing, right? Take care guys, keep smiling. Bye.